Well, hello there. I'm going to turn this into berries today, specifically strawberries. In this video, I'm going to give you a super easy face mask recipe that only takes less than 5 minutes to create for truly riveting results. Now, why are we going to be using strawberries? They are packed with vitamin C, they provide UV protection, they fight oily skin, and they lighten blemishes. But more importantly, they're in season, so you're gonna be saving all that sweet cash. Do you need any more reason to be a berry? But hey, if you are just finding me, I'm Jana, and this is Japanadip, where you and I create healthy, easy, and sensitive skin-friendly cosmetics. So if you are interested in that, make sure to smack that subscribe button and ring my bell so you don't miss a thing. Just a little disclaimer, I am going to be using grams and tablespoons in this video just because you don't have to be as technical with maths. Mostly I just eyeball things, but because I'm making the video, I didn't eyeball it just so you guys can follow along. But if you watch my previous video, I explained why using tablespoons and volume measurements is a no-no. So if you are interested in why that's a no-no, go ahead and check out my last video. But alright, enough with all that. I'm ready to be a berry. Alright, so you just saw how to make a super easy strawberry mask that you can easily turn into like 3 recipes, just using strawberries and bentonite clay, or strawberries and turmeric, or strawberries and yogurt. Like, you can definitely flip and flop this recipe however you would like, or separate this recipe. Or you can just put strawberries on your face if you're really into that. I mean, I guess I should have did that. So what I want to know for the question of the day is, what is your favorite fruit and would you put it on your face? My favorite fruit is pomegranates, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and pass. I'm sure that they probably have very great benefits for my skin, but they're really messy just to eat, so I don't even want to go through that headache. We have to draw a line somewhere. watch in like the next year. I'm gonna make a pomegranate face mask. Just wait on that. Anyways, alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I just got this lipstick on my hands a little bit. Do you like it? It's berry. It's berry flavored. It's not berry flavored. It's berry colored, not berry flavored. Do not taste this lipstick. Anyways, okay, I'm getting sidetracked as usual. Bye bye.